Hi, what's up guys, welcome back to the question set 49 of the series of DBMS 1. So let's get started with the first question. The school enters the data after installing the software. All school information is included in the software. The principal of the school informed us that the software had to be removed and reinstalled due to a virus in the computer. Imagine that you have chosen yourself for that. Here you can see that the database has to be backed up. To create a backup file, select the C partition. Use running school DB backup as the name of the backup file. Create the required backup query for this. So to execute the backup query, we are going to use CMD and run it as administrator. So first of all, we have to go to a specific directory. So this is the place that we want to go. So press enter, and then you have to write the backup query. MySQL dump username, then the database name, and then greater than sign to backup, and then after that we have to give the location that we want to backup the file into, and then press enter, and give the password. Then press enter. So let's check out whether the database has been created. So as you can see, the database has been backed up. So that's it for the question set 49. See you soon from set 50.